going to present you all the causes and effects of climate change. As you know, that's a big problem these days. So, this is the overview. Human and natural causes and effects on climate change. Change will continue through this century and beyond. How do we know climate change is happening and what Earth was like long ago? Is climate change is happening? Yes, we know because like the scientists there have drilled down in the Earth, in Antarctica, to find out what was happening in the previous years, in the centuries on Earth. So they have drilled ice cores to find out, and they find some air particles in the ice cores to figure out that what was going on in the world many years ago. So they found that like there is a big difference from the today's environment and the centuries ago. So it was much better and fine weather many years ago than now. So and how will you know the climate change is happening? Like the Earth orbitals around the sun is changing. So the eclipse of the Earth around, they are changing day by day. So when the Earth orbitals are more tilt, the weather is more summer, more warmer, the winters get colder, and when it's less tilt, the summers get more cooler and the winters get more milder. And there are some other causes which are happening to the environmental change. There are human and natural causes, more droughts and heat waves. Because of the environmental change, there are more droughts and heat waves becoming more and more day by day. And Arctic like to become ice-free by the mid of this century and in the summer. So the sea level is also rising by 6 inches by the data which was supposed to in 1880, it was collected in 1880, and then it is projected that the sea level will rise in 1 to 4 feet by the 21st century. And deforestation also is a big issue nowadays to avoid climate change. Deforestation, because of cutting trees, the habitat of million species is destroyed, and deforestation also affects a lot of our environmental change because the plants helps a lot to create more oxygen, and they absorb carbon dioxide, and they send back the water vapors to our sky to make the weather more better and more winds, to get more winds. And coal mining. Coal mining is also a big issue to climate change, and it impacts a lot to our groundwater, our surface water, and drinking water, and mining of the coals, which use a lot of chemicals, and those chemicals destroying our land and environment also. So this is also affecting a lot of our environment. In conclusion, the climate change is the major challenge for our global society. There is very little doubt that climate change will change our climate in the next century. So what are the solutions to our global warming? Thank you.